Hi there, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to design your own custom ballpoint pen. Perfect for business giveaways or just for yourself. We'll be using the Infowerk online design tool, and as an example, I'll create a white classic pen with the colorful Painomestari logo. Let's get started. First, go to the Infowerk homepage. From the product categories, select ballpoint pens. We are now in the online editor. Choose the blank template to start fresh, and on the left, you'll find the toolbox where all the design options live. Now it's time to choose your pen. There are several great options depending on your style and budget. Classic, a solid all-rounder. Comes in 6 colors and has a premium click mechanism. I'll use this one for the demo. Freezy, the most affordable choice, great for mass giveaways. Twist action and 10 fun colors. Rec Pet, made from recycled plastic. Eco-friendly and available in 16 colors. Bamboo and beechwood. Both have a natural look and feel. Beech is more premium, with blue ink. Black Forest, my personal favorite. Real wood, black ink. Perfect for clean, minimal logos. Silver Surfer, metallic finish with 3 accent colors. Great for bulk orders. Once you've picked your pen, go to the Photos tool and upload your logo. You can resize and move it freely to get the perfect placement. If you would like to add your company name or slogan, use the text tool. But here's a little tip. If your brand font is not available, just create the text in your favorite design software, export it as an image, and upload it like a logo. Next, set the quantity. The price updates automatically, and it already includes VAT and shipping, so what you see is what you pay. Before you check out, do not forget to add the discount code. Painomestari.fi for 5% off your order. And that's it. Your pen is ready to print. Fast, simple, and fully custom. If you need help at any point, just reach out.